The Great White North fights back against COVID-19. Canadian universities are front and center tackling this crisis and facing its impact on our lives. This is Universities Fight COVID-19 from Radio Western. Each episode, we'll tell you about COVID-19 related research and commentary coming out of Canadian universities. Today's episode is from University of Saskatchewan. Shortly after University of Saskatchewan closed due to COVID-19, the PAWS Your Stress research group took its community of therapy dogs online. The virtual events began on April 20th and are scheduled to continue until July end. Online therapy dog visits take place on Facebook Live, and recorded videos are shared on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Companion animals, or pets, help reduce stress and anxiety by encouraging us to be in the moment with them. Physiologically, they help reduce our stress hormones. But can these animals work their magic in an online environment? Dr. Dell says that happiness is a key outcome for visiting with the therapy dogs in person. But she's seeing promising results in an online environment. Dr. Dell is a University of Saskatchewan sociology professor, the university's Centennial Enhancement Chair in One Health and Wellness, and a researcher at the Canadian Centre on Substance Use and Addiction. PAWS Your Stress, with PAWS spelled P-A-W-S, began in 2014. It's a partnership between Dell's laboratory, Peer Health, and the St. John Ambulance Therapy Dog Program. The 14-week online program hopes to extend the university's therapy dog community by making online connections with students, but also people in Saskatchewan and beyond. It will also share evidence-based pandemic-specific mental health self-care tips from the perspective of the therapy dogs. For example, the Facebook Live events, which are offered several times a week for about 15 minutes per session, are a great way to visually connect and chat with people in real time. The events feature a therapy dog involved in a healthy activity, such as going for a walk, playing hide and seek, or learning a new trick. And the activity is linked to a pandemic-specific health tip. These range from following routines to sleep better, to practicing good hygiene and picking up old hobbies to have fun. There are also sessions where dog handlers read children's books aloud to their dogs and to the viewers. Research shows that being read to can help develop meaningful connections. Dell wants students, staff members, faculty, and others to know that the dogs are still there for them during the pandemic, even if they can't connect in person right now. This story was adapted from Shannon Buklashuk's University of Saskatchewan news article, Online Therapy Dog Program Showing Positive Results, USask Professor Says.